Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing my makeup out of a golden egg. I thought this was perfect for Easter. This golden egg is actually from I Love Revolution, I guess like cosmetics. I've never had anything from them before, so this is going to be a beginning thing for me. Okay, so as you can see, it's still in the package. I'm going to actually open it on camera. I haven't opened it at all. Ow, God. Ooh, it feels really cool actually. So here is the golden egg. Now it has like all my fingerprints on it and stuff, but wow, you can actually see yourself in this. Really, can you guys see my setup? So what comes in here are actually, I think it's 4 eyeshadows and 2 highlighters, and no, 5 eyeshadows and 2 highlighters. I think this was around $5. I don't know, I forgot how much I paid for it, to be honest. This is how it looks. This is really cool. This is really cool. So it has like a clear slit right here. And I don't want to go too into depth with this, but I'm really looking at that gold highlighter, so maybe I'll use that one today. And then I'll use majority of these eyeshadows to create like a really soft look that you could possibly wear on Easter. So I also forgot to mention that they do have other colors. They have like pink, I believe, and other colors. I decided to get the gold one because it just looks cool. Like, who wouldn't want a golden egg? So yeah. All right, so I don't have a base on, so I'm gonna do a quick base type thing on my eyelids with this concealer, and I don't even have a mirror in here. And I'm putting this on just so this can really, so we can really see the color that it has to offer in the palette. I'm gonna go for like a really soft brown look with like a good highlight. So I'm gonna go in straight with, I guess let's go in with both of these colors. Mixing these two will create like a nice middle brown that I want in my crease. I'm just gonna kind of, I don't know, just do whatever. So I'm just creating, like I said, this is just gonna be like a natural brown look since those are the colors that are offered in the palette. Now I'm just gonna take this color here. Yeah, I actually really love the colors. They're really cool tone. So that just allows it to look a little bit more natural, you know? It just looks nice. I'm gonna go in with a more smaller brush, fluff brush, and go into that deeper color here. Alright, now I'm going to go into, let's just use all the colors. I'm going to go into this first, this color, and then I'm going to go into this color and put it in the middle of that other color. I'm going to put this all over, and I bet this looks better if it's wet, but it looks pretty good without the brush being wet. Alright, so I'm going to put on this mascara, and this is the Lancome mascara. So, I don't know where you guys left off, but here is the eyeshadow and the highlighter. I know this is like a more simpler look, but if you are into those simple looks, then I suggest you try this. Also, this palette is really wonderful for people who like neutral looks. I'll definitely leave a link down below on where you can get the rest of the colors. This is a great palette as far as the pigmentation and what you get inside. Like, it's 2 highlighters and 5 eyeshadows for, I think it was below $6. It was really, really cheap. So it's really cool because it's in this really cool packaging too. It's like a golden egg. It's perfect for Easter. But yeah guys, thanks for watching. Put what you want to see down below in the comments, and yeah, I'll see you guys in a later video. Bye.